Hello again, Bob Olson back. I'm going to show you now in this video how to create an interactive assignment on Edline. And this interactive assignment will be graded electronically and synced to your gradebook. So here's how I do it. Go to the class you want to put the assignment in. I'm going to put it in my Algebra 1 class. I go to Contents and I edit them in List View. And I'm going to add this as a homework assignment. So on this drop down menu to the right, upper right in Add, I'm going to add an interactive assignment. A quiz is the same thing. It works the same way. It has the same results. So I'm doing an interactive assignment, and you're going to click Add. Again, like in my earlier video, I title everything by date. So this is today's assignment. I put it on the calendar with today's date. I'm not going to multiple post it because I've only got one Algebra 1 class. Now, setup. This is real important. Users can access their work after submission. You have three choices here. They can't see it at all, they can just see it, or they can see it and change it. And I allow them to just see it. I display their grading, and this is what sends it to your Gradequick. Sync it to Gradequick. Alright, next, you're going to build your interactive assignment. Multiple choice at the drop down menu in regards to questions. I do true-false questions. So today I'm going true-false, and I'm going to add one. Today's assignment in class was page 91, problems 11 through 41. And I've told all my students to check the odd answers in the back of the book. And now my questions are going to be related to the even answers. So here's how I handle it. I'll ask them for the answer to number 18 on page 91 is 38. The actual answer is 42, so we're going to call this false. Now, once you set up your first question, you want to make sure that you have this set as a required field. You can set up the points however you want. You can play with it, mess with it. I keep everything at 1 point. Once I've written this initial question, I'm going to save and return. The program marks it as question number 1. All I do from here on is I clone it. So now for question number 2, I'm going to edit it. And I'll change this 18 to a 20. The answer to number 20 is 56. So I'm going to make that a true answer. So 56, I will change it to true and save and return. Problem, I'm going to clone again, and I'm going to keep doing this as long as I want to and for as many questions as I want to ask on this assignment. So I'm going to clone it again, I'm going to edit it, and I'm going to do problem number 34 now. The answer to problem number 34 is 81, but they have to multiply both sides of the equation by a negative, so I'm going to make it negative 81. And I'm going to make that false because the actual answer is positive 81. So it's just a short assignment. I will add one more problem. I'll add number 40. The assignment went through 41, so I'll put number 40 in here. And number 40 was actually on page 92, so make sure you make that change if you're going to try this. So I'm going to clone this. I'm going to edit it. I'm going to do problem 40. on page 92. The correct answer to 40 is 81, so we'll make that a true. And save and return. Now, I've got 4 homework questions that have to be answered for correctness to receive credit. I'm done building it, and at this point, you're just going to click Done. Now, your status, submissions not allowed. That means as of right now, nobody can take this assignment. Nobody can access it, basically, except you. So before you save and return, you just scroll down to the bottom of the page. And when you click Allow Interactive Assignment Submissions, now you're opening it to your students. When the first student does the assignment, it'll create a column in Gradequick that has the same title as whatever you titled this assignment. So now you can see where your status has changed to Submissions Allowed. All you have to do now is save and return it and open Gradequick and watch for students to start completing the assignment, and you'll see how many they got right, and it'll fill it right into your column on Gradequick. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, email me, wholesomeback.robert@brevardschools.org.